Hello and welcome to elDoc. Today, we're excited to guide you through the steps of establishing robust access control when managing your files. elDoc offers detailed permission control, allowing you not only to grant access to a specific file, folder, or subfolder, but also to define precisely what actions a specific user or group of users can perform with these files. When you navigate to the Permissions section, you will be presented with options to define who has the permission to perform various actions. These include the ability to read and edit, copy, download, upload, print, and even edit the permissions themselves. The File Permissions feature in elDoc offers a variety of ways you can set and manage permissions. Let's explore key capabilities. Inherit permission capability. By selecting this option and ticking the box, you ensure that all folders, subfolders, and files underneath will automatically adopt the same rights and permissions as their parent folder. This option streamlines permission management across related files and folders. Replace child permission capability. In situations where you need to establish specific permissions for a particular file that differ from its parent folder, you can use this option. By ticking Replace Child Permission, you can set unique access rights for that file, overriding the inherited permissions from its parent. Let's dive into replacing child permissions and creating unique access controls for a specific file. In this demonstration, we'll showcase how we can modify the read and edit permissions, assigning different users and roles. As you can observe, after adjusting these settings, the specific file now possesses unique permissions. This level of detailed control empowers you to manage your files with precision, tailoring access rights to meet your specific requirements. Explore elDoc's file management permission capabilities right away to better manage your files and enhance your document control.